So Delaney, you're right. There is nothing to label because I have given you a template. That rubric is my on-ground classes. They're actually doing the project and they're having to start with a blank Excel file. I made it a little bit easier for the online students where I've given you all the formulas. So you just need to get the amounts off of the financial statements and do the calculation. So they're already labeled, but you need to have accurate amounts. So go off of the accurate amounts. So for instance, for the profit margin percentage, let's say your company had 1,200 in net income and 90,000 in total revenue. So we would divide to get the profit margin percentage. And so here it is, you're right, it's shown as a decimal, but we can change the formatting in Excel to get it to be a percentage. So if you come up here above where it says number and you click on percent, then it changes to a percent. But then to increase the decimals, we come over here next to it with the 0 with the arrow pointing to the left. If you click on that once, it goes to one decimal place. You click on it a second time, then you'll get it formatted the way that I've asked you to format it. So I hope this helps you.